Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you 9 different ways to style your short natural hair. Your natural hair doesn't have to be boring, so in this video I'm going to be showing you different ways you can style your short natural hair, and it can be carried for different occasions. So if this is something you would like, please stay tuned. I've got so much value in this video. And please, if you're new here, welcome. This is Chezplace, where I share everything that regards growing a healthy natural hair. If this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, like, and comment your favorite hairstyle as you watched in the comment box. I really appreciate it. I'd like to know your favorite hairstyle. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. Please, I would like you to share this video to someone. I'm sure that you will know someone that will need this type of content. Please consider sharing to your friends and family. Thank you so much. Like I said earlier, these styles are really easy and beginners friendly. You don't have to be an expert, in trying any of these hairstyles. So just find the one that suits you and try it. And when you try it, you can tag us in your pictures or videos. Thank you so much for watching.